Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Glen, Dale Local, and Long Distance Movers near me. There's no doubt that executing a long-distance move is stressful. You have a long to-do list and probably tight deadlines for many of the tasks. If you choose the right moving company to support you, the stress level should go down as the mover can make part of your job easier. 3 Movers is a reliable, affordable mover that would like to help with your long-distance move to or from Glendale, Maryland. Our customers have the freedom to focus on other important matters while we handle the move. When you call us for moving estimates, our team of professional movers will schedule an on-site review of your project. The representative will review what you are moving and prepare a thorough inventory. That comprehensive list comprises the price quotes foundation, and our representative will explain all the details when you meet. They will describe the service options like packing, crating, disassembly and reassembly of furniture, charges for stairs or elevators, if that's applicable, and anything else that can change the cost of your job. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glendale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.